We are a family-run company in operation since 1927. Metering and mixing technology is our passion. We configure the systems just the way our customers need them. Not many can do this. We offer solutions for all materials and all applications from a single source. Greasing and oiling. Bonding. Sealing. Potting. Composite processing. Gasketing. In automated production processes. We understand what our customers do, so we know exactly what matters. With our decades of experience, we know many different markets inside and out, from automotive industry to aircraft construction. All around the world. DOPAG, your partner for metering and mixing technology.